Mo fẹ́ ràn dashiki yìí, we did this one last week. And that's a conversation between a market woman and a customer. Mo fẹ́ ràn dashiki yìí, I like this dashiki. Èló ni. And we did a cross conversation in the class with groups, different groups. And some group will say the first one, the other group will say the second one. Owó yẹn ti pọ̀ jù o, only 500 naira ni. The money is 500 naira. Owó yẹn ti pọ̀ jù o. That price is too much or too high. Hi. Welcome.
Any car on.
Isansa Matunde Adekodo Kodina Sansa. Give you 20 minutes. That's good. But all what we said here, you've already done this one. So I will not go back because I think you know most of this. She and Bob. Owó yẹn ti pọ̀ jù o. That price is too much. Kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. It's not like that. And then I express the bẹ́ẹ̀, how Yoruba say the bẹ́ẹ̀. When they say the bẹ́ẹ̀ in a pleading way, you do like this. Kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. So that you, right. And then, if you're already frowning at the price, you calm down and say, okay. But you know you have to negotiate. Some people going to Africa, they don't even know how to negotiate. They want to do a hairdo, have a hairdo. They say, oh no, don't worry, I'll go by myself, I'll do it by myself. You go over there, sit down. This lady already made maybe like 200 naira over one hair or 1,000 naira for one hairdo. And this new lady came right from United States, just sat down there. Okay, do my hair. We'll say how much it's going to cost. Okay. And after doing the pretty nice hair, she said, it's 8,000 naira. And then you say, okay. And just give her the money. Well, it's good business, right? The only difference is she didn't learn Yoruba to learn how to negotiate. She could have done that. Negotiate the price. These are the essence of learning Yoruba. Because it breaks the barriers, open doors for you. Door of communication. Obìnrin yẹn ti gbọ́ Yorùbá. Ó gbọ́ Yorùbá. Okay. Ẹbí mi. Ẹ̀sán 4. You know. Now the person is now your relation. Because the person could speak Yoruba fluently, right? So the advantages. Eléyìí yàtọ̀ ni, right? Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wo èyí tó pupa yẹn. The person is pointing at the red one. Ṣé eléyìí? Is this one? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, yes it is. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, yes it is. 1,000 naira ni eléyìí. This one is 1,000 naira. And then the buyer said, èló ni jálẹ̀. Then I explain jálẹ̀. When they say jálẹ̀, say, okay, what's your last price? That's jálẹ̀. And I also explain the word jálẹ̀, right? Ja, ile. That's compressed to jálẹ̀. Jálẹ̀, right? Ja to cut. When you hear ja, you hear the youth now say jamisi, 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 jamisi. Let me know about it. That means jamisi. But ja, ile, jale, to the ground. Boom! The thing lands on the ground when you cut the sack, right? That's what that means. Okay. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, he said bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Anytime you hear bẹ́ẹ̀ni, it means you are accepting a decision or a statement or believing something is right. When you say bẹ́ẹ̀ni, they do that with a nod as well, sometimes. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni means yes, it's true. Yes, that's the one. Yes. Right? In law courts too. If you say bẹ́ẹ̀ni, right? You don't go into the law courts and start to talk in idioms. They might write it down, right? Transcribe it, and say that's what you said. I said, did you kill that person? You said, yeah, yes, I killed that person. I killed that person. You think I can kill somebody? No, you already said you killed that person. You said you killed that person. You said it. But that's the Yoruba way of communicating. You know, it will be detrimental when you use it wrongly. You know, when you talk with emotions, that's when you get into trouble. Because you need to calm yourself down. All right. Èló ni jálẹ̀? Ẹ san 800 naira jálẹ̀. And then the customer said, ẹ ò sì gba 600 naira jálẹ̀. Take 600 naira, please. And then the lady said, rárá o, 800 naira ní ibi gbogbo. 800 naira ní ibi gbogbo, everywhere. Ibi means place. Gbogbo means everywhere or everything. Ibi gbogbo. Not like that. It's not 800 naira everywhere. It's 800 naira everywhere. Ó dára, ẹ bá mi mú pupa yẹn. Please give me that red one. Now she agreed to buy, and she's pointing to that red one. She wants to buy that red one. Ẹ ṣeun, thank you. Kò tọ́pẹ́ o, you are welcome. That's great. Listen, right? Láyọ̀ lẹ́ ò délé o. We also add that you will get home safely. We offer you prayer after the sale. We don't just let you go like that. That's right. And then the person will say Amio to crown everything. Right? And if the person is pure Yoruba or Isheshe, he will just say Ashe o. Ami Ashe o.